What's going on, everybody? Tanner here with another video. Hope you're all having a great day. And in today's video, we're gonna be talking about this one product that made millions and millions of dollars. So I was walking here to feed the dog. I'm in Miami right now in the house, and I'm walking in here to go, feed the dog. And I'm over here, this is where dog food is and everything like that. And then I look over and I see this, the dog glove, the product that everybody was promoting, everybody wanted to promote it, and a lot of people made money with it. So we're gonna be going on my computer. I'm gonna be showing you guys some of the variables that go within this product, how many people were posting it, how many views it has on the ads, and how many sales it has. So let's go ahead and hop on my computer. But before we do that, make sure you subscribe if you're new and click the like button if you wanna see more content, because I post every single day. But yeah, let's go ahead and do it. So I'm here on my computer. I got everything set up, but I've been having some issues with my screen recording. So I'm gonna have to be showing you guys sort of on my computer with this camera sort of as I talk. Not the most efficient way to do this, but it's still gonna get to the point and help show you guys every single little thing. So this right here is the product that I'm showing you guys right now that I'm talking about, the dog glove on AliExpress. As you can see, it ranges from $1 to $40 a piece. You can buy one, you can buy two. So yeah, and this product is something that became very, very popular. Even about a year ago, it was still very, very popular. And I had so many people messaging me, even to this day, people messaging me, yo, is this a good product I should sell? Is this something that is sold too much? Is it still something that will sell? And this is a product that you probably don't want to sell. It's not like crazy like the fidget spinners, where everybody saw, everybody had one. But it was still a product that sold a lot of units, and everybody was using the same ad. So it wasn't really as effective as people wish it was, because everybody was testing it, everybody was trying to make money with it. As people saw, it started to blow up. So I pulled up a few ads here, and then we're gonna go to the AliExpress order list and see how many people actually bought it, and then multiply that by how much we were selling it for to see how much money was actually total made. Of course, we can't show every single thing of how much money was exactly made, but we can make a pretty good guess here to see exactly what the deal is. So the first thing on my computer, I went on to Facebook, and I went up here, and I literally just typed in pet glove, okay? So there's a few different names people call it, but I looked up pet glove, and I'm just scrolling through here. You see so many. No, not all of these are ads, but a big majority of these are ads for this specific product. 450K views, 400K views, 15K views, 250K views, and up to the top here, I picked some of the most viewed ads for the specific product I actually saw. So here's one of them right here. This is the ad. By the way, this one has 913K views. So you get the gist of it. You see what the product is and everything like that. Their ad copy is pretty basic. It says, "This glove is amazing. Say goodbye to those annoying loose hairs and give your pet a gentle grooming. Take yours here." I think they're trying to sort of get out of people's keyword search. Take yours here. Maybe use that for product research. Then they have their link here. Share, tag with your friends. 4.2K likes, 719 comments, and over 1,000 shares on this specific video. And I went through here, I picked out a few of the ads. This one has 200K views, this one has 1.2 million views, this one has 400K views. So there's a lot of views here on this specific product. A lot of people were selling. These are, I guarantee, not even the most viewed ones. I just sort of picked these quick off of the top search here. I would use some different terms if I wanted to find the top one. But so many people were trying to sell this product and make money with it, and a lot of money was made. And I went to one of the links from one of the ads right here, as you can see. Special pet cleaning glove, right, left. So that's 20 bucks a piece. I looked up the average, it's around $20 a piece. But some people were cross-selling, or not cross-selling, doing a bundle where you could buy both for like 35 or something like that for the discount, so they could make more money, get more orders, etc. So then I went to AliExpress, okay? And look at this. I sorted it by orders right here. Just a little quick tip for those of you if you don't know already. If you want to see which product has the most orders or which listing, you just press this button right here, and it'll release it, from the top one all the way to the bottom. You can go on forever and ever. But right here, as you can see, 23,000 orders on the top one. And some of these orders may be just one glove at 20 bucks a piece selling on their store, and maybe both for 35. So we don't really know. We can't really determine that based off of just seeing this right here, unless we really looked into it and all the details and reviews and things like that. But as you can see, 23,000 units, 14,000 units, 8,000 units, 7,300 units, and I basically went through this whole page right here. I scrolled down and added up a good majority of them. You know, if we scroll down here, these are only like 300 orders, 310, which is still a lot of money as far as, you know, actual order value. But I went through and I added up a majority of these listings here, and it equaled to about 100,000 units total. Of course, I didn't do it to the exact number, but I sort of just went through and added it based on even numbers until I got to a pretty substantial number, which was 100,000. That is a ton of units. 100,000 units just on AliExpress listings, and that's not even all of them. That's just these top listings on this first page right here. And then I was like, all right, let's try and figure this out. So if we were doing an average of $20, so let's just say $20 people are buying one glove. I would say most people buy one glove, but you know, some people may buy both, just so they can, you know, do two things at once. But I went to the calculator here, and it was $100,000, or 100,000 units, excuse me, and then you multiply that by $20, which is like the average order value for people just buying one glove, equals $2 million. That's $2 million made. Of course, that doesn't compare probably to fidget spinners or anything like that, but that is a lot of money. You know, people were charging about $20. If they were charging more, you know, if they just charged $40 instead of $20, then there would be $4 million. So that is so much money made on this one specific product, and I'm sure the total amount is way more than $2 million. I would say it's probably over $5 million total. You know, you have to count it for people that buy both gloves, as well as other stores that may not be drop shipping from AliExpress, people that have just their own in-house store where they actually have units bought from Alibaba. Maybe I'll do that real quick. I'll check Alibaba and see how many have been sold on there, and then we can calculate that into the whole equation to see exactly, you know, how much money was made with this. So if I had to give a piece of advice to you, and you know, as far as selling this product, I would not recommend it, at least from now, because still people are trying to test it, trying to make money with it. You'll make a few sales, it may be profitable, maybe not. But I would say as far as the cost of purchase, it won't be exactly where you want it to be. You're not going to be making as much money as possible. But let me look on Alibaba real quick, and I will get updated with you. Okay, so I just revealed something else. Now we know that it made a lot more money. I forgot to include like Amazon and eBay, things like that. People that actually buy inventory and then sell. I know I mentioned it, but I didn't really go, you know, fully into depth. So I'm here on Alibaba. Let me show you here on my computer. And I showed just, you know, I just looked up dog glove, and I clicked the first search result here. And on Alibaba, one thing you can do, you can look over to the side here and see, you know, how many transactions it's done, and, you know, response rates, you know, all that kind of stuff. But if we look here, we see 69 transactions total for people that maybe bought, you know, 100 units, 1,000 units, 10,000 units, whatever. But we see $430,000 total, and total transactions, excuse me, buying from the Alibaba listing. That does not count as money, you know, selling the products. This is exactly just how much money has been spent to buy from these Chinese suppliers on Alibaba. So then we have to factor in $430,000 in units, which is a lot cheaper than buying off of AliExpress, just because when you buy in bulk, it's just a lot cheaper overall, because, you know, the suppliers can, you know, they can afford to do that. So basically what we have to do here is just see $430,000 in total transactions. You know, that's per pair of glove. So let's say we have to divide that by 2, and then figure out how many units that, you know, possibly was. We can't figure out exactly, but then we see how many units that was, and then multiply it by $20 or whatever it is, and then that adds to way more money, I'm sure, here on Alibaba. We're gonna have more millions and millions of dollars just from this specific product right here. And I'm sure even if we go to Amazon, sorry for being blurry right now, if we go to Amazon, there's gonna be way more listings, and a lot more money to be made. So my point here for this video, I want to show you guys this product and give you guys some insight on exactly what it is. Is it making money? Is it not making money? It made a lot of money. Let's get that out of the way. We just showed you guys that. It made a lot of money. Is it something you should sell? Probably not. That's just my take on this. Pet stores can do very well. They can make you a lot of money because it's narrowed down to a specific niche, but also at the same time, it's an audience that, you know, a very large audience. You know, a lot of people have pets, whether it's dog, cats, horses, bears, whatever it is. Everybody, not everybody, a lot of people have pets around the world. Do more product research. You're gonna be doing product research. You're gonna find this product when doing product research, but I want you guys to go beyond that. I want you guys to use different keywords. One little thing I've been using lately, you know, people are gonna use on Facebook, you know, get yours now, free shipping, you know, things like that, to look up keywords on Facebook. But one thing you can do to, you know, find a more variety of products that are selling is use different languages. Use very other common languages. You know, use Spanish. Translate get yours now into Spanish, and then look that up on Facebook. You're gonna be brought to ads that are in Spanish, but it's still products that are most likely gonna be on AliExpress or selling online. So it's really all about diversifying what exactly you're doing and figuring out how to market this product. As far as marketing this product, people were using emotional points. You know, they were going, you know, pain point, fact, and then selling it, you know. They were showing you, look, you have dog hair everywhere. Is your dog shed a ton? You know, the dog we have here at the house, Lucy, golden retriever, labradoodle mix or something like that, she said she sheds so much. There's hair everywhere, and I'm allergic to dogs, so every time I come here, I'm sneezing, I'm itchy, I get rashes because I'm allergic to dogs, but she sheds everywhere. So this glove, you know, it eliminates that. That's why that glove is down there in the room where she eats, just because they used it to clean her, to get rid of the hair. They don't really use it anymore because there's hair everywhere, but it's something that reaches people's emotions and is like, yeah, I'd rather not have hair all around the house and on my furniture and things like that. So what I'm gonna do here is use the glove to clean the dog off, the cat off, the whatever animal it is, and reduce the shedding amount. So it's also something at the same time, you know, you use an emotional point to market, like, oh, you know, you're rubbing your dog, they're gonna enjoy it. It's not gonna be like something else, some other product where you're trying to get rid of all their hair. You know, it's something that actually reaches people in an emotional way and is at a price point where people would actually buy. You know, this product costs a few bucks to buy on AliExpress, and then you sell it for $20, you know, a pretty decent profit margin, dollar-wise, a break-even point. So yeah, guys, go further with your product research, and yeah, that's all I gotta say. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, a little bit of an insight on this specific product, and hopefully you enjoyed it. So if you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.